What's up everyone, welcome back to Quick Fix episode 9. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly one potential solution to a slow network transfer speed across like your NAS or just interconnected computers. I guess that's still a NAS. Either way, if you're having problems with your file transfers between one computer to the other, one potential fix is to come into your start menu and type in features. You're going to see turn Windows features on and off. Come into this area and you want to uncheck remote differential compression API support on both computers. Uncheck this on both computers and click OK. And hopefully you should get at least a pretty good boost in your speed. I went from 16 megabytes to about 72. Mind you, you're still going to have a lot of limitations with the drive you're on and the type of cables you're using and all different kinds of things. But if you have, gigabit, Cat6, if you have all the other requisite parts up to par, then this could be one reason why your speeds are slow. Another reason is, well, the drive itself might also be slow. If you're using a 5400 RPM platter drive, those have a max data transfer rate of about 125 megs, give or take. So just keep that in mind, but there is one potential fix. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, you want to see more, click that sub button, leave a comment, leave an idea for me if you have one, and I'll see all of you on the next Quick Fix. Bye.